In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Gumloop to extract data from any website you choose using Google Chrome. It's a powerful tool that makes data collection seamless and straightforward, particularly for those who are looking for an automated approach to gather information online. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to Gumloop's website. If you're not familiar with it, Gumloop is an exceptional web automation tool that allows you to automate various online tasks, including web scraping, without requiring any programming skills. With Gumloop open, the next step is to create a new project. This is an essential step as it allows you to organize your web scraping tasks neatly and makes managing multiple projects easier. To create a new project, you'll simply click on the New Project button, which you can find on the main dashboard. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the website from which you wish to extract data. Be as specific as possible with your target website URL to ensure Gumloop can access the correct data fields. Once you've set up your project and specified the website, you're ready to add a scrape node. The scrape node is crucial because it allows you to select the particular elements on the web page you want to extract. Gumloop provides an easy-to-use interface for this step. Simply navigate the web page and click on the data elements you're interested in. This could be anything from paragraphs of text to images or links. You'll see that the tool automatically identifies these elements and prepares them for extraction. After selecting the elements you want to scrape, it's time for the exciting part, running the automation. This feature is where Gumloop shines as it processes your selection and compiles the data in a usable format. Before you hit run, double check that you've selected all the relevant elements to avoid missing out on any crucial data. Once you're ready, click the Run button and let Gumloop work its magic. Depending on the size of the website and the amount of data, this process might take a little while, so just be patient. Finally, with the data scraped, you'll want to export it so you can analyze and use it according to your needs. Gumloop gives you the option to export the data in various formats such as CSV or Excel, making it highly versatile for further use. Choose your preferred format and save the file to your device. There you have it. You've successfully navigated the essentials of using Gumloop for web scraping in Chrome. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you now feel equipped to tackle your data extraction projects with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy scraping.